Hi everybody, good morning, welcome back. Here we are in approaching month 2 of lockdown, certainly turning into an interesting year. I was busy last weekend working on the next area on the layout, and I've been taking some photos along the way. So please do have a look now. I'll show you how I've been getting along, and then after I'll be back with you to show you a close-up of how the layout looks now. So there we are, that brings us up to now. As I said in the comment there, I'm really pleased with how this factory area has turned out. I was really pleased with the weathering effect I was able to get on the scale scenes paper there as well. Since the video photos were taken, I've added 3 lampposts now, and I actually have kept the wires on these. They go underneath the baseboard. So many hours of fun around the corner trying to solder those up, because I'm absolutely useless at soldering. I've added a sign there as well to the wall next to the factory doors, and yeah, really pleased with how that's looking, and that's now largely complete. So if I just pan across, I'll show you how everything else is looking at the moment as well. So I've been working on this hill embankment area next to the road. Still need to finish that off, but that's in progress there. I need to add a couple of small walls either side of the road there. On the other side, again, same thing, in progress, nearly finished, but just building up the embankment there on the other side of the wall. I've also got, just to show you how this is going to look, I've got some spare sort of, I don't know what this is called really, but I've been cutting this to shape, and this will be going against like that, so you can see how that's going to just cover up all of the bit where it comes to an abrupt end. I still need to trim that down to shape more, but I've got enough pieces there that I can go across the whole layout covering the front of that. And yeah, that area is now complete. I'll start work soon on the corner area here before finishing off the front sections there. So it's this project was really I thought this was going to last me through to winter, but the pace at which I'm going, I could have this done by about autumn time or even summer. So that's just how quickly it's gone. I've also put in place now the final end piece there, so that was the right time to do that. So yeah, so that's where we are. I'll just show you a shot from on high. There you go, that's showing it in its entirety at the moment. And I shall be back with you again for another update soon, I guess. Take care, bye bye.